Hello all. This short video is about thrusting through cloth armor. The target is 32 layers of heavy linen, weighting over 500 grams per square meters. Since point geometry and thickness matters, the dagger, made by Todd, has a reinforced tip. Over the last 7 centimeters from the tip, the thickness grows to 8 millimeters. The katana is a modern blade and has a reinforced tip, which explains the 6.1 millimeters thickness at the Kosaki line. Historical kotos tend to have a thinner tip, 4.45 millimeters in our case. The blade is less wide at 11.5 millimeters. Which makes me believe that it would performed better than the modern version. The support is a TV cardboard filled with polystyrene. The backstop is another 32 layers of cloth. In some cases, unsupported thrusts can penetrate, but the result is not as certain as with supported thrusts. Striking from above, using an overhand grip, as often described in manuals. Striking around, using a saber grip as described a few times in manuals. In this last section, the thrusts that did not pass through 32 layers are attempted against less layers of fabric.